Okay, we've got the shaker assembly cleaned up. And now over to here, you can see these are tape stripes. These still look good. They're hanging in there, but this painted portion, look how washed out that is. Okay, so anyway, I've got the shaker hood assembly. I'm going to put something under there that'll mask so I don't paint flying under there. But let's take a closer look here. Yeah, you can see where this is just the center stripe is always painted on, and it is just letting go. So you can see how it's washed out. There's a major scratch right there. I took the front chrome piece off, and you can see on the nose some is gone there. So I've already got it initially wiped and prepped. We'll do some further prep to grease and wax remover. Then we'll tape it off precisely, and then we'll shoot it with the same matte paint as on that shaker over there. So we'll get everything very nice. I won't do anything with the stripes. Those look good. And then when we get done with doing all the work, I'll buff out the paint and do final prep on that. But now it's going to be taping and masking off that area so we can do a quick shot on it and freshen it up. Pretty simple, straightforward, more easily said than done. But hey, that's life in show business, right?